it's Sandra, and today I'm going to show you May's Mani by Me box. I received this on May the 6th, and today is the 7th. So I'm doing it right away. That's really fast for me, because usually it takes a few days for me to do this, to actually demonstrate this. But I'm got right on it, and we're going to go through this box. So if you are not familiar with these boxes, Maniology has a monthly subscription box, and it's very easy. If you sign up for it, if you don't like the box that's coming, you can cancel it, no problem. It's very easy. They're very good about canceling boxes, or or putting you back on the list, whatever. They're really good. You can trust them. And these boxes are $30, and you get 2 exclusive plates, usually two stamping polishes, and a surprise. So I think it's really worth the money. Now, if you're sick and tired of getting some of the stamping polish, or you've got way too much polish, period, you can always get the express box, which includes everything but the stamping polish. So there's a way to go if you don't like receiving the polishes. I have never been disappointed even in the polishes, because for the most part I don't order polish. I just use all the colors that I get from these boxes. So there are my favorites. I do have favorites that I order, but I try and use up everything that's in this box, whatever I got, at that time or previously. So there you go. And I'm sorry, I don't know how much the express box is, or bag, or whatever they send it in. I think it was, I'm not sure. So that's on their website. So let's open up May's box and see what's in here. All right, so the first thing we get are these little cards, and one of them gives you an idea for a manicure. Look how cute those are. I think that's really cute. The fruit, the lemons, love lemons. And it tells you how to do it. It's right here, in case you get, creatively blocked. You can't think of what to do. And the other one is kind of a summary of the box. So it tells you what the box is called. It's May's Tutti Frutti Mani by Me. There are 2 plates, 152 and 151. And the polishes in this one are Apple Crisp B549 and Lemon Zest B550. They also, for the free gift, or not free gift, but the unknown gift, they have included a silicone strawberry shaped scraper card holder. So that is really cool. I do have another holder that was a pineapple that they had a long time ago. So let's get into this box. And I'll tell you, I really love the manicure idea that they gave you. I think that's really cute. So let's open this up. Look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? So this was the one that I had gotten with one of the other boxes. So this is an actual pineapple, which I think is adorable too. And I use mine. Mine sits out on my manicure table, and I think it's great. It's a great way to keep this product. So this one is adorable too. Little strawberry. Great themed box. And we've got a little sticker here. It says Bloom with Grace. So let's look at the plates. The plates seem to be really cute. So let's see what they are. So we have MXM151. And here's that little border. Isn't that cute? Love the border. Love it, love it, love it. Oops, let's get that in camera. I have to get my tweezers so I can get this plastic off. Look at how cute these are. You got a bunch of full nail ones. Then you've got these frames, and you got just little fruits. And this one is a, actually that's a 3-stepper, or is it a 2-stepper? I don't know. So this would be for that. I don't know. I'd have to mess with that. I don't see any 1s or 2s on here. But you have a big strawberry here, which is cool. Oh, here they are. They go this way. So this is the first one, then this. First one, then this. First one, and this. So that's how that works. And you've got some down here too. This is raspberries. That's really cute. So that way you don't have to reverse paint, which always makes me happy. Okay. And you got a pear on the other side. That's really adorable. There you go. So you got a pear over here, lemon here, raspberries here, strawberries here. Those look like maybe blueberries, peaches, lemons, and blackberries. And then we've got these little apples here. All the little, there's a bunch of different berries here. And the pears. I think this is adorable. I like the fruit stuff. Okay, so there's number 1. And number 2 is M152. And this is cool too because now we've got some backgrounds, which is cool. You've got the lines, like it almost looks like watermelon. And you've got a plaid and these little, I don't know what you would call this, like a little grid. And then you've got some more fruit down here. You've got this one, which has pictures of fruit. You got another little corner frame here. And apples, I think. And maybe more lemons and peaches and strawberries. Little heart thing here. Very cute. Okay. Now don't forget that if you do purchase anything from Maniology to use my 10% discount code, which is NS10, and that gives you 10% off and it gives me a little bit of commission so that I can continue my giveaways. I don't know if you could use it on the boxes, the subscription, but you can use it on anything else. So there you go. All right, so now let's look at the polishes. Look at that while I take out the polishes. All right, that's an interesting combination. We have a green and a gold. Okay, so we have Apple Crisp B549 and we have Lemon Zest B550. So here are the 2 stamping polishes. So let's do some stamping here and see how these look. So I want to do, definitely want to do something off here. I think I'm going to do the plaid. And we'll do the green. The Apple Crisp. Is that what it's called? Apple Crisp? Yeah, Apple Crisp. I actually got that right. That's amazing. All right, so put this on. Hear that noise? That's my husband. Every time I got to do something or my grandkids are sleeping, he goes out and weed whacks or mows the lawn. It's like an obsession, I think, to drive me crazy. Okay, so there is the plaid, and I'm going to stick that on here. Now I think that's really pretty green. It shows up on the white, but it also shows up on the black. I think that's really nice. A nice green. That may be my new favorite green. And then we will do one in the yellow or gold. It looks gold to me. So let's do a full one. Let's do this. One of the frames. Let me take the stuff off my stamper here. Pretty color. It's kind of a goldy, I don't know. It looks gold to me. Yes, I should have capped it up. Now that's a pretty color. It shows up great on the black and it shows up great on the white. So this is a really nice gold. I'd have to say that out of all the golds that I've gotten from Maniology, this is probably one of the better ones. It's really opaque. Looks very nice. Okay. All right, so I am going to get myself together here, and then we are going to do a manicure. And I'm going to try and keep as far away from this one as possible. Though I do really like this. I like the fact that they put the white on there. And I do like their green and yellow. They added blue. Obviously, that didn't come with the kit. So we'll see what I can come up with. I will be back. Okay, I'm back. So I did 3 of them in that yellow gold, and I did 2 of them in a light pink. Yes, I know it didn't come with the kit, the light pink, but I just had to do it. Okay, so what I did was, instead of using the layered look, I ended up doing reverse painting because I wanted to do the greens on the fruit in green. And there's other way you can do that. You can just omit the green part from the stamp, or if it's isolated, you could absolutely take the green part off and do like the red, and then just go back and put the leaves on there. But I just did the reverse painting. So I did the small strawberry, and I wanted to tell you about this this nail polish by Sally Hansen, and this is called Pucker Up $2.99. And I love this color red because it's not really dark, so you can see the lines through it, or the detail. So that's why I always use this one for red. The other thing I wanted to tell you about is that I did this one, which is all the little strawberries, and I had a really hard time, and I could not pick up the little seeds in these. Now it shows it on the plate, but for some reason they must not be etched out enough, and it just didn't pick them up, which is unusual for Maniology. Every once in a while they do have prints on their plates that just don't pick up the detail. But maybe it's me. It could be me, or it could be my stamper. Not sure. But let me know if this picked up for you, the little seeds in this. Let me show you which one this is. It is from, it's this one, and it's on the 152 plate. This one right here. There's seeds on there, but they didn't come up on the stamp. Okay, so I did these 2. I did the bunch of strawberries. I did the one big strawberry. I did a little cluster of blueberries, and here's how this looks. And I did the little cluster of raspberries. And I did a little cluster of blackberries. And I did those in purple. All right, so let's see how these look. So first I was hesitant of using the gold, but I actually think they're going to turn out really good on the gold because I held it up there and it was great. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the red and the pink. I'm going to bring this down all the way down to the end on this one. That is adorable. Look at how cute that is. That is so cute. Okay, and then I'm going to do all these different strawberries, a little tiny full nail one. I'm going to put this on here. And remember, these are the ones that I could not get the seeds to come through. But still, look how cute that is. I think those are so adorable. I love the fruits. Love them, love them, love them. And I actually had a strawberry left here, so I'm going to put it up. Oh, how did it get messed up? All right, something on that got messed up, so I can't use it anyway. So, perfect. So that's all I'm left with on that. All right, so let me take this off. I think I hit my hand on it or something. Okay, so there's that one. Now I'm going to put the rest on these gold nails. So the first one I have is the raspberries, and I'm going to put that on here. Let's see if it'll stick, because I need to put some. Oh, it came off. Okay, the leaves did not go on. So I'm going to use a little bit of the smudge-free top coat. And while I'm at it, I'm going to use it on the other two. So put a thin layer of that on each of these. Okay. Let them dry a little bit. And then we're going to try and restick these on here. I don't know if it's this way or this way. Definitely got to be this way. Okay, there's that one. And then we're going to do blackberries. I'm so excited about these plates. If you are into these little fruity plates, you definitely should get these. I think these are, I'm sure they have some other fruit plates, but I really like the designs they picked on these. You can tell that they're what the fruit is. I like the colors you can use on these. And I even like that gold. I didn't think I would, but I really do. Okay, so there they are. And now I'm going to put, there they are, and I don't even show you in the camera. Let's scoot that over there. Let me give it a topping of the smudge-free top coat, which always, to me, really shows the details after you put this on here. Very cute. I could see actually doing 5 nails in that pink and just doing that strawberry. I think that would look awesome. And this yellow is great for the lemon look. I wanted to do mostly the colored berries for whatever reason. I am a color person. I really like lots of color. So I just thought, I think that is adorable. So I'm going to put the final top coat on this when this dries a little bit. But I want you to, once you use these plates, let me know if you can get the seeds to show on this strawberry, multiple strawberry plate. I still think they're adorable. They look like a little strawberry garden. I will use that, absolutely. But I did really had a hard time. It just would not pick them up. So let's put this on here. And again, this is my favorite top coat by Glisten and Glow. And as far as I'm concerned, this is the best non-gel top coat that I have tried. Now, I haven't tried a whole lot of top coats, but I really love this top coat. It's really, to me, it really looks like a gel because you get that shiny look. I really do think, though, next time I'm going to do this strawberry. Just a single strawberry. I think that's adorable. And I love the pink with it. So there you go. This is a May Mani by Me box. And I think these turned out adorable. And there you go. So I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.